I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your payment history on Samsung Pay, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay and launch the Samsung Pay app on your device. You can find it in your app drawer or on your home screen. Step 2. Access the menu. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. This will give you access to various options within the app. Step 3. Select Transactions. From the menu, choose the Transactions option. This will take you to a list of all your recent payments made through Samsung Pay. Step 4. Review your payment history. Scroll through the list to view your payment history. You can tap on any transaction for more details, such as the merchant name and date. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If you have many transactions, use the filter or search feature to find specific payments. Look for the filter icon or search bar at the top of the transactions page. Sometimes transactions may not appear immediately after a purchase, so give it a moment if you don't see it right away. I hope this helps you easily find your payment history on Samsung Pay. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.